Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Wax Atelier Studio. We're trying out the Sexy Smooth Wax in Purple Seduction, and just look how beautiful this wax is. It's smooth, it's a low temp. The color is just chef's kiss. It is so good. This client has been waxing for nearly 7 years, so she doesn't have a lot of hair to work with, but what she does have is pretty long. She's also really sensitive, so this was the perfect client to test this wax out on, because if it works on her, it's going to work on everybody. Um, it dries, like I said, dries really fast. Quick pull, apply pressure, stunning. We go in with our touch-up strip, and with this one, we need significantly less wax because the little bit of hair that is left is going to be super fine, so you don't need a whole lot. And this is going to dry even faster than the first strip, but yeah, again, make sure those edges are smooth so you don't rip it or crack it. Look at her go. Absolutely killing it. And instead of a swift pull this time, we're going to do like a stagger pull, and what that's going to do is like really help pick up those little tiny hairs. And look at that. There's not a hair left on her. Don't have to tweeze her, nothing. Yes. Then we go in with the Waxing Lovely Ingrown Potion number 2. And look at it. She's not even red. This wax is so good. I highly recommend it to everybody. Nailed it.